What's going on, guys? 2015 F150, and in this video I'm going to do a Forscan for dummies, which is just a complete guide start to finish, real easy, no more questions. This is what it takes, real simple, straightforward video on doing some Forscan mods to your truck. So again, 2015 F150, we got the laptop set up here. You're going to need this OBD2 plug-in right there. Mine's got a little switch right there, plugs in their USB. This is a Windows-based computer, and I have a spreadsheet right here which just has a bunch of the mods you can do with Forscan. So we're gonna get started. Got that plugged in, got the laptop fired up, so we're gonna go to Forscan. We're gonna open that up, and if you don't know how to get Forscan, it's pretty much go to the website, download it, apply for a license, you get your license, and then you start modding. So we've got our Forscan here booted up. We're gonna go to this one right here, connect, and it'll prompt you, key is on, so we're gonna put the key in, put the key on, turn off my wipers, and turn off the radio, turn off everything, AC, radio, all that stuff. Waiting for my Sync 3 to start up here. Okay, got that off, got everything off. Okay, let's see, so ignition key is on, we got the HS MS CAN switch is in the HS, vehicle not moving. So that right there, that's what that little toggle switch is right there, and it's not labeled on that. So if it's not, it'll say something like an error, and then you'll flip it the other way, and that way you'll know which one is HS and which one is MS. So we're gonna hit OK, and you can see found recorded profiles. Yes. So it's going to load everything up there. So it's asking you if it has a switch. You're going to hit yes. And now it's saying switch it. So we're going to go down here and switch it. Go back and hit OK. It's going to load the rest of the modules here. While that's loading, we're gonna find one on here. I've got a couple that are marked out. I've got one disables the do startup chimes. I'm gonna do the I'm gonna change my daily running lights right there. Instead of having my normal low beams on, I'm gonna do just the turns only. So that's what I want. So it just runs my turn signals only instead of the low beams. And then you can disable the seat belt right there for driver and passenger. That's what I'm going to do. Door jar warning, I'll probably punch that in too. So we're going to do this right here, daily running lights. We're going to search for that one first. So you can see daily running lights, BCM. There's the numbers. Put this down here. So there's the numbers. That's what we're going to look for. And right there, that's the numbers that we're going to change. You can see the X's, they all stay the same. And it tells you up here the value. We're just going to change the value. So you got the module, you got the address, and the value. And we are going to type in these numbers in that location. Okay, so we're going to make sure that those match what we got here. So right now we're going to go to the little configuration and programming. So we're going to find right here, it says BCM for the daily running lights. So we're going to scroll down here. Let's see. Body CM. That's the BCM. So we're going to click on that. And we're going to hit the play. We're going to switch that back. Hit OK. Hit OK. Okay, so we're looking for these right here. So 72645. So we gotta scroll down here till you see right there. So we've got 72645. So we've got the module. This is the address, 72645. And we just have to transfer. So this one says the first section there, don't change anything, but the second section, we're going to change right there 7F in the second one. So 72645. So right here, this is the one that we're going to change. So we're going to delete that and write 7F. And then the next one right there, we also have to change the 7265001. So 726, let's see, right there, 7265001. And we're going to change that right there. It just says 08. So we're going to change that. Hit 08. And then we are going to hit write all. So we're done with that one. And if you're doing a lot of mods, it's always good once you bring this, the as-built up, to go ahead and save all, save the profile. That way, you know, if you ever mess anything up, you've got that profile that you can reload. And if all else fails, you can bring up all your as-built data on the Motorcraft website anyways. So, but it's always good to save the profile. That way, if something gets messed up, you can just load that profile and start fresh again. So we're going to hit write all. It's going to say incorrect checksum. We're just going to hit OK. Yes. Let it do its thing. Make some noises. So it's going to say please cycle ignition off and then back on. We're going to hit OK. Completed successfully. Okay, so we're going to turn the key off, pull it out. Door's already open, so you're going to let it completely shut down, and then once it fires back up, it should be saved. So that's basically it. Pretty straightforward with the Forscan. I'm going to do a couple more here, like I said earlier. Get yourself a spreadsheet and mod away. You know, it's not that hard with the Forscan. I was kind of questioning how to do everything. I didn't, you know, the information is out there on the internet, but it kind of wasn't all in one area. There were some good write-ups out there, and there's a lot of people doing it. So once you kind of watch some videos and get familiar with it, it's pretty straightforward. So that's basically the gist of it, and hope this video helps for the guys that kind of wanted an all-in-one. That's pretty much it. You're going to need the software. You're going to need the OBD2 adapter. Get your license. Get it opened up on the laptop. Make sure you save, save all the as-built stuff that you're working with. That way you have that backed up so you can always restore it. And then, start modding away. That's it. So you guys got more questions, let me know. Feel free, and I'll post a link where you get these spreadsheets so you guys can get this for your F-150. That's helpful to have, but that's it. Good luck.